Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Subaru Legacy door panel. First, gather your tools: a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a small flathead. Begin by locating all visible screws, which are often hidden behind small plastic covers. Use your flathead to gently pry these covers off, then remove the screws. Next, carefully pry up the window switch panel to expose the electrical connectors underneath. Once the window switch panel is loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors attached to it. These usually have small tabs you need to press. Next, using your trim removal tool, work your way around the perimeter of the door panel, gently prying to release the retaining clips. Be firm but careful to avoid breaking them. After all clips are free, gently lift the entire door panel upwards to clear it from the window channel. With the panel lifted, you'll need to reach behind it to detach the door handle cable. This usually involves rotating a plastic clip and unhooking the cable end. Also, disconnect any other remaining electrical harnesses, such as those for courtesy lights or speakers. Once all connections are free, you can fully remove the door panel. Be sure to set it aside carefully in a safe, clean area to prevent any damage. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cable. Ensure all connections are secure. Then, align the door panel clips with their corresponding slots in the door frame. Gently but firmly press around the edges of the panel until all clips snap into place. Reinstall all screws and covers. Always test your window and door lock functions before fully tightening everything. For more great deals on reading devices and other helpful tools, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.